You won't believe this! I got completely different results from these 7 metal detectors, and some of them were downright shocking. After testing over 15 models, I've narrowed it down to the top 7 that are truly worth your money. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which metal detector is perfect for your adventures, whether it's the beach, the park, or the backyard. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. Garrett ACE 300. If you want a trusted first detector that makes learning simple, the ACE 300 nails the basics that matter in the field. Its 0 to 99 digital target ID gives you an instant feel for conductivity, so you quickly learn the difference between coins, cans, and iron junk without guessing. The iron resolution feature lets you tighten discrimination when sights are trashy, helping you separate good targets from nails and bottle caps. That means fewer false digs and more time on signals worth your effort. When a target sounds off, tap electronic pinpointing to zero in without swinging. Less time probing, faster recoveries, more finds in the pouch. It also lets you fine-tune frequency to reduce chatter around other detectors or power lines. Great for parks and group hunts. With the included headphones, environmental cover, and coil cover, you're set to start right. No extra shopping trip required. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. PANCKY. Starting from scratch? The PANCKY brings everything you need in one bag. Detector, headphones, shovel, carry case, and batteries. So your first hunt can literally be today. The big win is an easy backlit LCD that's readable in sun or shade, showing target type, depth, and the mode you're in at a glance. Its upgraded DSP helps focus on valuable targets and ignore common junk, which is perfect for beginners who want early wins. Use all metal to scout an area, disc to filter, or memory to lock in patterns for a favorite site. The IP68 waterproof coil lets you search in wet sand, creek edges, and shallow water. Tip: keep the control box dry. That opens up vacation beaches and riverbanks most beginners skip. Comfort matters on longer hunts. The shaft adjusts for different heights. The armrest supports your swing, and the whole unit is about 2.4 pounds. Less fatigue means more ground covered, and more chances to find something special. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. DR.ÖTEK. Every detectorist needs a pinpointer. Think of it as your final inch tool. Once your main detector finds the spot, this DR.ÖTEK pinpointer hones in, so you dig smaller plugs and recover targets faster. That saves time, preserves lawns, and keeps you moving. It's fully submersible to about 3 meters, perfect for surf lines, riverbeds, and rainy hunts. A small LCD shows signal strength as you close in, and you can choose vibrate, audio, or both, ideal for stealthy park work or noisy surf. Exclusive interference cancel helps cut random chirps so you're not chasing ghosts in mineralized soils or near your main coil. Less false signaling equals quicker, cleaner recoveries. Lightweight with a textured grip, it slips into a pocket or holster and turns on with one hand. If you misplace it, a lost alarm and flashing LED help you find it before you leave the site. Small tool, huge impact on your day's finds. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Garrett ACE 400. Ready to step up your coin and relic game. The ACE 400 adds sharper tools that help you cherry-pick keepers in iron-infested sites. Its 0 to 99 digital target ID is paired with graphic target analyzing, TM, so you see conductivity and your discrimination pattern at the same time. Great for confirming dig/no-dig calls. Iron audio is the star. Toggle it on to hear the grunt of iron under a good tone, so you avoid rusty wraparound signals and focus on the sweet spot. In old home sites or park edges, that saves back and time. Electronic pinpoint locks onto the center of the target for tight plugs and fast recovery. Combine it with the DD coil's coverage and you'll clear ground efficiently. Weather turning? Slip on the headphones with volume control and keep going. For hunters who want a proven detector that peels keepers out of trash, the ACE 400 is a confidence boost in your hands. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Fisher F22. The F22 is a lightweight, weatherproof everyday detector that's perfect for parks, schools, and yard permissions. At roughly 2 pounds, it balances beautifully, so you can swing longer without sore shoulders. Ideal for beginners, kids, or anyone returning to the hobby. Clarity is the theme. A clean display, target categories, and a 0 to 99 target ID make it easy to tell coins from clad and trash from treasure. Add 4-tone audio, and you'll start recognizing targets by sound before you even glance at the screen. Being weatherproof, it shrugs off drizzle and wet grass, so you don't lose weekends to forecasts. For a grab-and-go detector that rewards good sweep technique and covers ground fast, the F22 is a dependable partner. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Nokta Simplex. If your hunts include water, fields, and everything in between, the Simplex is a powerhouse value. It's fully waterproof to about 16 feet, so you can wade lakes, search river shallows, and rinse the whole detector when you're done. The carbon fiber shaft is tough, yet light, and it collapses small for backpacks or carry-ons. Great for travel hunts or tight storage. Ergonomics are excellent. At about 2.6 pounds, it's balanced for long sessions without forearm burn. On land, Simplex shines in modern parks and older sites. Fast recovery helps separate good targets from junk, and built-in pinpoint, plus an LED flashlight make dusk hunts practical. Lose track of your pointer? The lost alarm and visual cues have your back. With intuitive controls and modes you'll master quickly, it's an easy detector to grow with. Equally at home, pulling recent drops at the beach, or teasing older coins from iron-rich ground. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Fisher F44. The F44 blends weatherproof confidence, clear ID, and practical features that help you dig smarter. The large easy-read LCD puts target info and depth right where you need it, so you spend less time guessing and more time recovering. Dial in adjustable discrimination to mute junk, then use audio feedback to confirm what the numbers suggest. Sensitive circuitry helps sniff out small or deeper targets, turning ordinary parks into productive sites after a rain or two. Target depth indicators help shape your plugs and protect lawns, especially important on permissions. Powered by simple batteries, it's a true grab-and-go machine that doesn't tie you to chargers or power banks. Whether you're coin shooting on lunch breaks, scouting old home sites, or introducing a family member to the hobby, the F44 hits the sweet spot. Light, informative, and consistent across changing ground and weather. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best metal detectors you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.